Good morning and good afternoon and good evening, Bulls. I'm Autumn here, and today we're going to talk about how to locate and check out books. Finding books in the library is a super simple process. First, you'll want to go to www.lib.usf.edu. Once you get to the main page, you'll want to click on the Books tab and type the author name, book title, or ISBN code in the search engine. When you find the book that you need, you can see where it's located in the library by using the number next to the floor map. This is called a call number. This number will have 1 to 2 letters in the beginning and between 8 to 10 numbers at the end. The number corresponds with the floors on the library and the sections of each book. Once you get the book you need, all you have to do is go to the front counter and check them out using your USF ID card. To make this process seem a little easier, I'll show you how to search for a book. Alright, so when you first find the call number for your book, you're going to want to head over to the elevator and figure out which floor that your book is going to be located in. Alright, so now once you get on your floor level, you're going to want to look at the floor map. Each map on the floor will tell you where you can find your book depending on the first 2 letters of the call number. Yeah, that's pretty much it. You can also contact a librarian at 813-974-2729. Google isn't the only resource you can use for classes. Don't forget to hit those books. See you next video.